What is a wheel alignment? A wheel alignment adjusts your Jaguar's suspension angles, so the wheels are positioned exactly the way the manufacturer specified them to be. Proper Jaguar wheel alignment ensures your vehicle handles the way it was designed, tight, responsive, and fun to drive. Even a slight misalignment can take away from the Jaguar driving experience. So here's what a wheel alignment actually fixes. Vehicle pulling left or right. If your Jaguar drifts instead of tracking straight, alignment restores balance so you're not constantly correcting your steering going down the road. Uneven or premature tire wear. Jaguar tires are designed for grip and performance. Misalignment causes uneven wear, especially on the inner and outer edges. A proper alignment helps extend tire life and keeps your Jaguar planted on the road. Off-centered steering wheel. If your steering wheel isn't centered when you're driving straight, alignment can correct it, making every drive feel more natural and controlled. Reduce fuel efficiency. Misaligned wheels increase rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work even harder. Proper alignment can help improve your fuel economy over time. What a wheel alignment does not fix. Alignment's important, but it isn't a cure-all. It does not fix worn suspension or steering parts, bent or damaged parts, steering from vibration caused from tire imbalance, or shaking while braking. If any of these problems occur during your Jaguar driving experience, have a certified Jaguar technician have a look at your vehicle. You can schedule service with us at Jaguar Naperville authorized service.com or come visit our location in Naperville.